Hello and welcome to Simba's in the Kitchen. Today we're making apple crumble with blackcurrants. For this recipe you will need flour, sugar, mustard, apples, swede, blackberries, pears, red apples and butter. Let's get going. Here we've got some flour and sugar. Let's make some more of flour and sugar. Once we're certain, we add the butter. Step 1, we prematurely heat the oven. Today we're using butter. That's 50 grams, but let's chop it into some smaller boys. There it is. We add the butter and we crumble it up. Let's mix it up. This may take some time. Once your crumble topping is sufficiently mixed, move your knife and butter to one side and pour the topping onto a sheet of baking greasy bake paper. Give it the old heave-ho and then we put it in the oven. We'll come back to that later. While that's in the oven, it's time to start making our apple filling. Collect your apple and it's time to peel. This may take some time. Once you've peeled your apples, move the peel to one side. Set your knife down and prepare to slice the apples. You want approximately 1 centimetre thickness. Too thick. Ah! Once your apple is chopped, it's time to start it cooking. What we do is we chop ourselves some more butter. Let's say, oh that's a lot. Is that 50 grams? This much, why not? And we put it over in pan. Turn the pan onto a low heat. To the butter, we add butter and sugar. And we stir. Once all the butter is fucked off, it's time to add the apple. We cook the apple for 3 minutes. Let's check on that crumble top. Ooh, that's browned some. We take this out and leave it to one side. Prepare the blackberries. Take them to the sink and wash them using some high-strength soap. Now they are ready. We carefully add the blackberries to the pot. The blackberries have started to sweat, leaving this awful red colour all over the shop. There's no going back now. There's not enough soap in all the world. Not enough. spoon some of our fruit mixture into our dish. Remember to take care, because now even though the fruit is now dead, it is still hot. Beautiful. We then top with delicious crumble topping, and it's ready to go in the oven. For the savvy meal prep individuals out there, what you can do instead is make this dish in a glass Tupperware tub. So when it's straight out of the oven, you can pop the lid on and put it straight in the freezer. Good for up to 200. You pop it right in the oven. We'll check back in 10 minutes. 10 minutes later, we turn the oven off. We get it out. What's happening? What's happening? Oh, look at that. Look at that. You can still hear it sizzle. On a plate. There we are. A beautiful crumble of blackcurrants and apples. Best served with a glass of blackcurrant and apple squash, topped with crumble bits. Oh, that's good. Seriously.